in the terminal, on the wrong side of the glass. I take my shoes off at security, and I have hope I don't get past. 'Cause I've been trying to get some distance between your world and mine, but it's a path with some resistance. I'm not free just because I'm flying, and I swore when I saw you last time that was the last time I'd ever leave. If I soared right out of the atmosphere, you'd still have a hold on me. So I board when they call the number, 'cause I know where I need to be. If I change my mind, I can always find you. Left to the devil, right to the deep blue sea, right to the deep blue sea. And if I ever there's a bird in the terminal, take the load, and he's never getting out of here. Well, I know I'll meet you there, and you're gonna pull, gotta make it to the board and get into the bathroom. That's the guys at security. I won't trade that diamond stare. So I check my pocket, gotta get away from dance, gotta get away from company. I wanna leave without a trace, and the destination, I've been feeling the resistance. Anywhere in the mountains, I'm gonna find you in every place. And I swore when I left you last time, that was the last time I ever leave. If I saw right out of the atmosphere, you'd still have a hold on me. So I board when they call the number, because I know where I need to be. If I change my mind, I can always find you. Left to the devil, right to the deep blue sea, right to the deep blue sea. And I swore when I left you last time that was the last time I ever leave. If I saw right here, you'd still have a hold on me. So I board when they call the number, 'cause I know where I need to be. And if I change my mind, I can always find you. Left to the devil, right to the deep blue sea, right to the deep blue sea.